Y'all cannot tell me this ain't my real hair. Y'all see the vision? Y'all see the vision? Hey y'all, as y'all can see, I look a hot ass mess. I've been wearing this half up, half down for probably 2 weeks or so now. So this is my natural hair at the top, and then I have the sew-in in the back. I've somehow managed to get about 3 styles out of this. I had braids in the front, and then I took it out, and then I did like a slick back look. And then this weekend, I just kind of took the ponytail out and let it blend, and I had like a big all out curly looking thing. So I'm trying to recreate that basically. And I think doing a twist out is going to be my best bet to get that blend. Get into the texture. I'm keeping this super simple. For products, of course, you need a spray bottle with some water in it. Then I'm gonna go in with some of this Next of Us leave-in conditioner. And then I'm also gonna use this Aussie Miracle Curls mousse. I have some clips here just to kind of help keep my hair out the way. I have a wide tooth comb, and I have a, what's this, rat tail comb, because I'm going to do a middle part. And yeah, let's get into it. This shouldn't take too long. First, I'm going to detangle. You want to get her semi-wet, but not like drenched, you know? Moist. We're gonna go in we're now going in with the Next of Us. Generous amount. And I treat this like it's my real hair, so I start at the ends and make my way up. If it starts to get dry, just add you some more water. You shouldn't need much product because my hair already has product in it from the last couple of weeks of me doing like touch-ups and stuff. So the water is just gonna kind of reactivate what was already in it while helping the product I just added. What I'm gonna do is twist this section just to get it out of the way while I detangle the rest of my head. Do the same exact thing to the side. Y'all cannot tell me this ain't my real hair. I don't care, I don't care. I grew this hair on my scalp. Yeah. Boom, now we got this section detangled, so we're gonna move on to my real hair. Now that is gonna be a struggle. Ugh. Ooh, hell no. It's not gonna be perfect. I don't know if that's the middle. Let me take my glasses off. It's throwing me. So I'm gonna separate just a small section to be like the back, and then this is gonna go to the side just to help blend more. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and just get this out the way, and then I'm gonna get this section out the way. Now that we are all detangled, we can go ahead and start really twisting it up so we can get that blend. This is the exciting part. We're gonna focus on the front first. What's gonna be important for this blend is to understand like the texture of the hair you're using. So technically the hair that I have in my head is like a looser curl, which a twist out is going to give me. So I'm gonna do like medium-ish size twist so it's not like too tight and it won't look so different. So I'm gonna have a total of 3 twists. I think that's gonna give me the best results. I hope it's gonna give me the best results. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Aussie Miracle Curls mousse now. Oh, wrong thing. I'm about to break it. Like that much. That's a lot. But see the length of my hair? My hair is about here. My front is all twisted up. 6 twists. This is where it's about to get a little bit complicated because we want the rest of our hair to blend in with this. We're gonna clip these 3 so we don't get them confused. Wow. Because I had a half up, half down originally, I have to cover all of this. So I'm gonna split this back section in half. This is going to come down in the twist. This one is gonna blend with like the back section of the fake hair. Let me see if I can show you. Like we're going to twist this straight back with this hair. So like this is gonna be a braid. I mean, this is gonna be a twist. This is gonna be a twist. 2 different directions. That way my real hair can lay down in the direction that I want it to. Real hair split in half. Back, side. We're going to take like this much. And we're going to twist this together. Flip it out the way so you can see. Real hair, track. With this, I'm going to take from up top where this is gonna lay at, and this is gonna be its own twist. For twists, you need 2 pieces, but you want it to be even between your real hair and the fake hair. So I just split both my real hair and the fake hair in half so I can have 2 sections, and then I just cross them like that. I don't know how else to say it. Get a good grip. Add some more product where your real hair ends so that it can blend. And then you can kind of just let the end do what it wants to do on the real hair. Just take a little bit more product. Finesse it. And I just kind of roll it in my hand. And I like to clip her. Just like that. To reinforce it. Same thing. But towards the back. Get in there. Tight. Somebody just commented on my video on YouTube. Oh my god. I have 126 subscribers. Thank y'all. Love y'all. Smooches. You see how that's loose? It's not quite the same as this, but it's close, which is what we need. Y'all see the vision? Y'all see the vision? I'm gonna take this, split it in half, grab the hair on the side that you are trying to cover. I'm trying to cover this section here. You see? Yep, so this is the hair I'm gonna take, and then you're trying to cover this top section. So you need to grab hair from right under it like that in half, so you know. Tight as you can. You can do it. I promise you can do it. Now we got our natural hair all twisted up. This is the easy part, I guess. And that's just kind of giving our bundles some definition. So as you can see, we have a loose curl going here. Very cutesy, very demure, very nice. And we kind of want to keep this texture. We're gonna take some more water, spray her down. Gonna take some mousse. You can be generous. Starting at the ends, work our way up. Loosely twist. Same thing over here. We twist like these. This is the most important part. Wait for it to dry. It has to dry. Tie it up, put it in the bonnet, and let it air dry. If you're like me, I'm gonna let it just do what it does. Or you can sit under a dryer, or you can use a blow dryer and just kind of go through each section. Whatever you need to do, make sure your hair completely dries before you try to take it out, because then it's not going to give the results that we want. So I'm going to come back to y'all once my hair is dry, 100% dry for the takedown. It's been several days since I twisted up my hair. I've literally just been rocking it just like this, with no care in the world. But it's about that time for me to go ahead and take it down. I'm just going to coat my hands in some of this coconut oil just to kind of help separate the twists and the curls, make it a little bit less frizzy, all of that good stuff, even though it's a little late for that. As you can see, you don't need a lot, literally. You just want your hands to be coated. And I start from the roots, and then I just work it down. I love natural twists because I be feeling like an island girl. I don't know what it is. I think it just really matches my features, but whatever. I'm gonna take this down. Now see this texture? It's like a loose, you know what I'm saying? Like a loose wave type situation. Love it. I need y'all to remember my real hair is definitely in this piece. You see that? But it's still, we still in there. We're blending, being gentle when we separate though, because we want to keep definition in our real hair just so it blends a little bit better. Loosen the clump how it seems like it wants to be loosened. You know, I'm not going against the curl pattern. I'm just doing what the hair allows me to do. Actually, I'm gonna go in with just a little bit more oil because that's really the difference between like real and fake hair. Fake hair be a little bit shinier. So I just want to really make sure I kind of match that shininess using this coconut oil. Okay. My camera definitely did die while I was taking this out, but I just wanted y'all to see. I didn't even do any extra separation. I literally just took out the twist in the front, and this is how it turned out. Of course, my real hair is a little bit more defined than the sew-in, which is okay. It gives more of a layered effect, but if you want more of a blend, I would suggest separating your curls more. Yes. This is what we're working with, but there's ways that you can make this style long lasting and versatile, just depending on like what you're going for. Again, I started off with the half up, half down. Now I have a half wig, essentially half wig, sew-in, whatever you want to call it. If you found this video to be helpful or informative, make sure you subscribe and like this video. It will help me grow this community a lot as I bring you more relatable baddie things. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.